Hello students, welcome to exercise 3.5 problem 4. In this video we will discuss two problems, problem 3 and problem 4. So our problem 3rd is Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for right answer and losing 1 mark for wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So there was a test which was conducted. Now if Yash has scored 40 marks, he got 3 marks for the correct answer and 1 mark for wrong answer. So we are asked total number of questions. So total number of questions will be the total number of answers Yash has answered correctly plus the total number of wrong answers that he has answered. So let the total correct answer be X and let the total wrong answer be Y. So this total number of answers will be the same as total number of questions. So our total questions are X plus Y. So we need to find X and we need to find Y, and in the last our answer will be X plus Y, that is the total number of questions. Now our first statement is Yash scored 40 marks in a test. He got 3 marks for each right answer and 1 mark for wrong answer. So he scored, so his total score would be 3 times X, that is 3 for getting each right answer multiplied by total number of answers, so 3 times X. He lost 1 mark for each, so it will be minus 1 times Y, and this value will be equals to 40. So according to our statement 1, the equation that we get is 3x minus 1 times y equals to 40. Similarly, if he got 4 marks for each correct answer, in place of 3 we would have written 4, and 2 marks were deducted for wrong answer, so in place of 1 we write 2, so it is 4x minus 2y equals to 50. So our two equations are 3x minus y minus 40 equals to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 50 equals to 0. So this is our first and this is our second. Now we will solve it using cross multiplication. Now we know the formula for cross multiplication. It is x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now we just put the values of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2. So it is x by minus 1 times minus 50 minus minus 2 times minus 40 equals to y by minus 40 times 4 minus minus 50 times 3 equals to 1 by 3 times minus 2 minus 4 times minus 1. So it becomes x by 50 minus 80 equals to y by minus 160 plus 150 equals to 1 by minus 6 plus 4. So we have x by 50 minus 80 gives us minus 30 equals to y by minus 160 plus 150 gives us minus 10 equals to 1 by minus 6 plus 4 gives us minus 1 by 2. Now we can compare x by minus 30 to minus 1 by 2 and y by minus 10 to minus 1 by 2. So we have x by 30 equals to minus half and y by minus 10 equals to minus half. So the value of x is minus 30 by minus 2 and y value is minus 10 by minus 2. So the value of x is 15 and y is 5. So the correct answer that he has answered is 15 and the wrong answer is 5. So the total questions that were asked were 15 plus 5. So the total questions are 20. Now let us move on to our fourth question. Our question here is places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If car travels in same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. And if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of two cars? So we are given a location A and location B on a highway. They are 100 km apart. Now our statement says that if they travel in same direction, so let us say that travel in the right side, so both of them travels in the right direction, so they will meet after 5 hours. So here A started his bike from here and B started his bike from here, and after 5 hours they met at C. So it is normal to assume that the speed of A is higher than the speed of B. So after 5 hours they meet at some point C. And our second statement is, if they travel towards each other they meet in 1 hour. So now they are traveling in the opposite direction. So A is traveling towards the right and B is traveling towards left. So they meet at some point C after 1 hour. So we need to find the speeds of A and B. So let us take the speed of car A equals to x and let the speed of car B be y. So after 5 hours they are traveling in the same direction. As they are traveling in the same direction, after 5 hours the distance traveled by A will be equals to 100 plus distance traveled by B. That is, let A be here and B be here. So they will meet at some point C. So the distance which B travels, this is the distance, this distance plus 100 kilometer, this will be the total distance that is traveled by A. So when A will reach at point C, this is the total distance. So we are given that the speed is x, and we know that speed is equals to distance over time. So the speed of A is x. So x will be equals to the total distance traveled by A divided by time. So time taken by A is 5. So in place of time we write 5 hours. So 5 times x will be the distance traveled by A. So we write 5 times x. This will be equals to 100 plus 5 times y, where 5 times y is distance traveled by B. So 100 plus 5y equals to 5x. So our first equation is 5x equals to 5y plus 100. So we will take 5y and 100 on the left hand side. So equation becomes 5x minus 5y minus 100 equals to 0. So this is our first equation. Now our second statement says that if they both travel in different direction, they meet in 1 hour. So here is A, here is B. So they both travel in opposite direction. A is traveling towards right and B is traveling towards left. So how much distance does A covers in 1 hour? So the speed is equals to distance over time. We know that the speed of A is x. So x multiplied by time. Time is 1 hour. This will be the distance. This distance is traveled by A. So they meet at point C. So this distance is x. Similarly, B will travel the distance y, and this x plus y will be equals to 100. So this will be our second equation. So how can we write it? We can write it as distance traveled by A plus distance traveled by B equals to 100. So x plus y equals to 100. So we can take 100 on the left hand sides and it becomes x plus y minus 100 equals to 0. So our two equations are 5x minus 5y minus 100 equals to 0 and x plus y minus 100 equals to 0. Now we will solve by cross multiplication. So we just put the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. So it is x by minus 5 times minus 100 minus 1 times minus 100 equals to y by minus 100 times 1 minus 5 times minus 100 equals to 1 by a1 b2, that is 5 times 1 minus a2 b1. a2 is 1 and b1 is minus 5. So we write it as x by 500 plus 100 equals to y by minus 100 plus 500 equals to 1 by 5 plus 5. So x by 600 will be equals to y by 400 will be equals to 1 by 10. So the value of x is 600 by 10, that is 60, and y is 400 by 10, that is 40. So our car A travels with 60 km per hour and car B travels with 40 km per hour. So the cars travel with 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour. Now we will see the last question in the upcoming video. So that is all in this video. Thank you for watching.